Hey everybody, I'm back with another project for the 2017 Mustang GT. This one is going to be a very easy project. I picked up some side window louvers, and these are Spec D tuning. Unboxed them, I have to say these were extremely well packaged, both wrapped in their own individual Tyvek bags, sealed in styrofoam. And the quality of these things appears to be very, very high. These were about less than half the cost of the Cervini's ones, and from what I can tell, they look exactly the same. So there's no way I was going to pay $200 for these when they were available for like 89 bucks on eBay. So they came with alcohol, the alcohol swab, and some double-sided tape. And I held them up and they fit perfectly, so I'm going to go ahead and clean them, put the tape on there, and get them installed. Okay, this actually came with 2 packs of adhesion promoter, and it actually also came with genuine 3M tape. So real thin, it just goes around this line right here all the way around. Came with 2 rolls, 1 for each of course. I'm going to go ahead and get these prepped and get them stuck on. This should take almost no time. And just like that, you're finished. I'm super impressed with the quality of these things. Honestly, I don't know why anybody would buy the Cervini's ones for, like I said, more than twice the price. These things are extremely well constructed. They fit perfectly. And most importantly, I love the way they look. Now there are 2 separate kinds out there. There are the kind with the actual slits in there, and there are these closed ones. And I chose these closed ones on purpose because, let's face it, I mean, even if there were slits in there, it's going to let out minimal light and visibility. And quite frankly, I was concerned about water and debris getting down in there between the glass and this and not being able to clean it. So the window is tinted on the inside, so you're not going to see anything from the inside. But that is a good look. I really like the look of those. I realize it's in the garage here, but there will be definitely lots more videos and photos with those in there. So one more project done. Definitely glad I purchased those. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.